we have to find derivative of inverse function dx by dy, and then we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation and obtain the value of Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to discuss a step-by-step solution of the given question on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end. If you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. So without any further delay, let's start solving this question. First, I will read this. Find derivative of inverse function of the following function. So this is the given function y is equal to f of x. And we have to find derivative of its inverse function. Inverse function of y is equal to f of x is equal to f inverse of y. And find the value of the point indicated against them. So this is the function and the point indicated against it is x is equal to 0. So what we have to do? We have to find derivative of inverse function dx by dy. This x is equal to f inverse of y is inverse function of this given function and its derivative is dx by dy, and then we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation and obtain the value of dx by dy at x is equal to 0. We have to find this out. So let's start solving this question. First is solution. Given function y is equal to f of x is y is equal to e raised to x plus 3x plus 2, which is given to us. Now I have to find out derivative of its inverse function. So I will differentiate this with respect to y. Differentiate above with respect to y. Why I am differentiating this with respect to y? Because this is y is equal to f of x and its inverse function is x is equal to f inverse of y, means this inverse function is in terms of y. So I will differentiate this inverse function with respect to y and obtain the derivative of inverse function, that is dx by dy, and then I will substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation and then obtain the value of inverse function at the point indicated against it. So after differentiation, what I will get? Dy by dx will be derivative of y with respect to y, and derivative of e raised to x with respect to y is e raised to x plus derivative of 3x with respect to y is 3 into 1 plus derivative of 2 with respect to y is 0, and this entire derivative will be multiplied with derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy. So in this way we differentiate the given function with respect to y. Now I will simplify this further. What I will get? This dy will get cancelled and I will be left with 1, and this e raised to x as it is plus 3 into 1 will give me 3 and 3 plus 0 will give me 3, and this whole term will be multiplied with dx by dy. Therefore dx by dy is equal to 1 upon e raised to x plus 3. Now we have to find derivative of inverse function at the point indicated against it. So put the point indicated against this function is x is equal to 0. So I will put x is equal to 0 in above equation. Then what I will get? Above equation means over here. So what I will get? I will get the value of dx by dy at x is equal to 0, which is equal to 1 upon e raised to 0 plus 3. So 1 upon e raised to 0 is 1 plus 3. Therefore dx by dy at x is equal to 0 is 1 upon 4. So in this way we find out the value of inverse function at the point indicated against it. If you have understood each and every step of this solution, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubt you can share it in the comment box or DM it to me on my Instagram handle. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.